If you're looking for different ways to make money online, then you might want to stick around, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 6 different websites that could make you $100 per day. Okay, hey guys, my name is Chad and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools and resources that you need to find success online. Now on this channel, we're basically always creating content about different ways that you can make money online, different tips and strategies that you could use to start and grow a successful online business. So if that's something that you are interested in, then you might want to consider subscribing. So in this video, I'm going to show you 6 different websites that you could actually visit today and that could make you $100 per day. Now I know there are a lot of different ways to actually make money online. So this particular list is not just specific to one type of website or one type of thing that you can do. I've tried to kind of branch it out and make it as diverse as possible so that you can find something that could actually work for you. You might know about some of these websites, but chances are you might not know about a couple of them either. And I also just want to let you know that the list itself is in no particular order, but when I do get to the one that is our favorite method to make money online, I'll let you know, so keep a lookout for it. Okay, so first up on the list, we have Upwork.com. And if you're not too familiar with what Upwork is, it's a website that you can go on and actually load up your profile and do different types of jobs freelancing online. Okay, so when you visit Upwork, this is their homepage. This is where you're going to land. And you'll notice that Upwork is both for businesses and freelancers. So for example, businesses who are looking for people to deliver specific services or do specific jobs for them, so let's say, for example, with our business, we need to hire a virtual assistant. We just don't have the time to do a lot of the admin work. We'll go to a website like Upwork and look for a virtual assistant and then hire them from there. In this case, you actually want to make money. So you want to be the one delivering the services, not doing the hiring. So on Upwork, you can actually see a whole bunch of different categories. So we have development and IT, we have design and creative, there's sales and marketing, writing and translation, admin and customer support. So there's really a whole lot of jobs that you can actually do. So I just want to give you an idea on the types of jobs that you can find on Upwork. So if I go up to find talent and let's go to admin and customer support. So you can see there's a whole lot of different jobs that you can actually do: virtual assistants, project managers, Zendesk specialists, which are like customer support desk specialists. So when you visit different websites, you'll see like the little chat box come up at the bottom corner. Those are usually the types of people that you'd be speaking to. Those are the Zendesk specialists. Just bit my tongue. So the great thing about Upwork is that obviously they have a lot of different skills that you could deliver as services to these businesses. So whether it's, like I said, admin support or customer support, if you're good at design or if you know about design and you can do it, you can do those services and someone could actually hire you, for example, to be a graphic designer for their business and do that freelance job for them. So that's definitely something that you might want to check out. It's called Upwork.com. Second on the list is Digistore24.com. Now, Digistore is an affiliate marketplace, which means that they have a bunch of different products on this website that you can promote as an affiliate, and every time you make sales, you're going to be paid commissions for those. Now, affiliate marketing is by far our favorite way to actually make money online. That is how we've built Purely Remote. We've built our business that way. So it's definitely a great way if you want to actually build like a full-time online business. Affiliate marketing is 100% the way to go. If you do want to check it out, like how to get started, we'll leave a link down in the description and you can check out like a step-by-step guide of how we actually started our affiliate marketing business. But just to run through Digistore24 real quick, once you get to the website, if you click on Marketplace, the page will open up with all of the different products. And if you look on the left, these are all the different niches. So there is animals and pets, food and drinks, fitness and health. Just a tip, if you just about getting started and you don't know which way to go and you're looking for a niche, the 3 major niches for affiliate marketing are health, wealth, and relationships. So for example, fitness and health would be a great one. Dating, love, and relationships, internet marketing, and e-business. Now, these are just a few suggestions. You can actually choose any niche you like, So if you are actually interested in gardening, you could literally go to find a product that's to do with gardening and promote those products and then get paid those commissions from it. You can absolutely make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. And if you're looking for a place to actually find products that you can promote, Digistore24. So there are quite a few different affiliate marketplaces out there. Digistore is the one that I just showed you. Another big one is Clickbank. And if you're wondering how do you actually make money doing affiliate marketing with websites like these, we'll link a video up here that we just posted recently about how to make money on Clickbank, which is a very similar site to Digistore. You could literally apply the same steps and make money from Digistore as well. Number 3 on the list is Flippa.com. Now, Flippa is a website or an online marketplace that you can actually go onto and purchase pre-built online businesses. So it's not just one specific type of business that you can get from Flippa. You can get Amazon stores, drop shipping stores, you can purchase blogs and review websites. You could really get a whole lot of things from this website. So if just to give you an example, if we go to browse, so with Flippa, remember that you are purchasing an already existing online business, right? And the pricing really ranges. There's a wide range of different prices. And you can also purchase in 2 different ways. There are 2 different types of listings. The first way is auction, so you can actually bid on a particular online business that you want to buy. And the other category is their classifieds. Now, these that are currently on the page are all auction, so you can see that there are 5 bids. It's currently at $69,000, $80,000. So the pricing as well ranges. But remember that all of these different businesses are worth different amounts. But if you're looking at something a little less, you could just scroll down and go over to where it says auction and classified. Uncheck auction. And if you want, you could also set your price range. So let's say we're going to set it from minimum $0 to, let's say, $2,000. So that way you can filter, specific online businesses that you want to buy that's within your budget. A really cool thing as well with Flippa is that apart from the price that they give you right over here, you can also check out what the business is making per month. So for example, if we check out maybe this one over here, it's called Health Procedure. This particular website is monetized through ads. So companies pay this website every single month to actually have their ads come up on their pages, and that's how they make their money. And the general or the net profit is $192 per month. So you can really just work out real quick, how much you are actually going to make. So if you're investing $1,000 to purchase this website or this online business, and you're making $192 per month, you can work out how quickly you'll be able to make up your investment or recover your investment and then actually start making a profit from there. Now, another way that you can do something similar, this is not part of the official list of 6 websites, but it's just kind of a side note, is that if you visit a website called justdropped.com, this is basically expired domains. So only the URLs or the particular website, the links, once they've expired, you can actually purchase them. So if you do want to do it this way and just purchase the expired domains, you don't want to purchase an entire online business, visit justdrop.com, and on their homepage, on the left, you'll see it says daily deleted domains list. Click on that and sign up to their mailing list. Then once you've signed up to their email list, you'll be emailed a list of expired domains every single day. So this was one I received a while back, and it says today's domain list. To purchase, simply click the buy me link, and then there's a list of a whole lot of different domains and the pricings as well. So if you do come across a URL or a domain that you do want to buy, click buy me, purchase it, and then when it comes to reselling it, what you could do is do a quick Google search, and then it's going to list quite a few places where you can actually resell the domain that you've just purchased and make money from it that way. So that's 2 different ways that you could do it. Either you could purchase an entire online business that's already running and making money, or you could just purchase the URL or the domains and then resell them for a profit. Number 4 on the list, we have Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or Amazon KDP. And basically what this is you'd be able to create or write books and then sell it on Amazon's website. The great thing about it is that firstly, Amazon is the world's largest online retailer, right? So they have a ton of people who are constantly on their website. So think about it. If they go onto Amazon specifically looking for a book or anything like that, they're ready to buy it. If they come across your book, you're going to get a sale from that. Now, we are actually thinking of creating a video that is specifically about making money with Amazon KDP, a step-by-step guide on how you can actually make the books and get them listed on Amazon KDP and then start making money from it. So there's 2 different things here. If we haven't already created that video on our channel, let us know if you want to check that out. Just let us know down in the comments, or if we have, we're going to link it right up here. So it doesn't cost you anything to set up an account on Amazon KDP. So that is 100% free. And like I keep saying, all you do is create these books. It's a once-off job. You publish it onto Amazon KDP, and that's how you make money passively, because you don't have to worry about it. People are going to come across it, and every time they purchase your book, you're going to make money from it. Then number 5 on the list is Contra.com. Now, Contra is very similar to Upwork, where it's like a freelancing site. Okay, so for example, they have different services in video and animation, engineering, social media and marketing, design and writing. So you could just set up a profile on Contra as a freelancer if you have experience and you can help businesses, for example, in any of the industries or the categories that I just mentioned. And the great thing about Contra, when you're comparing it to other freelancing sites like Upwork or even Fiverr that we spoke about in other videos, is that Upwork and Fiverr charge you a 20% service fee for every job that you get. So for example, if you get a job and you get paid $100, they are going to take $20 of that as a service fee. Whereas with Contra, you pay 0% service fees. They don't take anything. If you get $100, you get paid the $100. And then number 6 on the list is YouTube, exactly where you are. Now, if you didn't know, I'm sure you already do, you could actually start a YouTube channel about a specific topic. So anything that you're interested about, constantly create content about it. And there are different ways that you can actually make money from YouTube, right? The first way is that you could build your channel and start running ads on the channel, and that's how your content gets monetized. So YouTube will basically pay you for the ads that you are running on your channel. Now, there are a couple of requirements that you do need for your channel to actually be monetized and be able to get paid from the ads. The first being that you need 1,000 subscribers, and the second being that you need 4,000 watch hours. And that's how you qualify to be monetized on the ads that run for your channel. Now, I know that doesn't seem like the greatest thing right now, but there are other ways that you can actually make money from a YouTube channel that is nowhere near 1,000 subscribers. You could actually start making money from your YouTube channel, within the first week. And I just want to give you an example. So this is our YouTube channel, purely remote. And you can see the channel right now is really, really small, 76 subscribers. But we use affiliate marketing, and like I said, affiliate marketing is where you simply promote specific products or services within a niche, and every time someone purchases those products, you get paid commissions. So as small as our channel is, we have actually made quite a bit of money by using affiliate marketing on YouTube. And as the channel grows, once we actually get to those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, basically, we're going to be making money twice from YouTube, because we're going to be getting paid from the ads and then also from the affiliate sales that we get from YouTube, or from our videos, I should say. Now, again, like I keep saying, affiliate marketing is 100% our favorite way to actually make money online. And it's a great way if you want to start a business and actually grow it into something that you could go into full time and literally replace your 9-to-5 job. I'll actually leave a link down in the description as well. Check that out. And if it is something that you do want to get into, like I said, it's a step-by-step guide. So it will show you every step of the way exactly how we started our business, and you could literally do the same as well. And that's it, guys. Those are our 6 websites that can make you $100 per day. I know there's quite a few, but if there is one website that we mentioned that actually kind of like made the light bulb go off for you, we'd love to hear about it. Let us know down in the comments. If you did find this video valuable, useful, and helpful, please remember to give a thumbs up as well. It really, really helps the channel. It really helps the video as well. And then also, if you have not yet done so, I would suggest going ahead and clicking the subscribe button, and then also clicking the notification bell so that you can be kept up to date with all of the content that we are going to be putting out on Purely Remote. We are constantly going to be bringing you content about making money online, different methods, different strategies, how to grow your business, how to start your business, that type of thing. And if you have any questions about anything that was covered in this video, or if there's anything that you'd like to learn more about and you'd like us to create a video about as well, let us know down in the comments, and that's where we'll engage with you. Just want to say thanks again for hanging out and watching this video. Until next time, keep crushing it.